Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm back at the river. I'm doing something a bit different today. I'm actually sucker fishing. I was originally trying to catch catfish, but I just started catching a bunch of suckers, so that's what the video is now. I gotta record this intro after because it just went very different than what I was expecting. I'm gonna go ahead and get my worm rod set up. Something's kicking on the worm rod, you guys. Oh, it's not on there anymore. Something's messing with it. You know, it could have just been a sunfish, could have been a crayfish. Oh, something. Ooh. Oh, he's not on there. There's something hungry for worms out there. Alright, the bait seems to be thawed. So let's get one on here. Something's on the worm rod, you guys. Oh, got it on. Oh, I don't see what it is. Is this a pike? What? Oh, it's a sucker! You guys. Oh, no way. Oh, it's a sucker! Oh my god, that is the target. Oh my god, you guys. I'm gonna be here all day. Oh my god, dude. I can't believe I just caught a sucker. If you guys saw in the last video, I just was talking about how much I love suckers. And that was because of a 6-inch one. Okay, I need to like process this. I'm so happy, you guys. You guys don't even understand. I've only ever found one spot that I could reliably catch suckers. This one is much closer to home. It makes me so happy, you guys. 2 suckers in the same week from different places, that's crazy. It's a sucker. These guys across from me are asking what it is. Here's our white sucker, you guys. That's so cool. I can't believe I was able to get one of these. This is like bycatch. I was trying to catch catfish. This is way better, in my opinion. Love these guys. Let's get a good release on this guy. It's ready to go. That's literally the target, is suckers. But I was expecting more so like a small channel catfish or a carp. I can't believe I was able to get a sucker, you guys. You guys saw how excited I was over that freaking 6-inch one. This one, that's just awesome. Almost master angler. That might be my personal best. Let me check. Yeah, that was my PB. This one was 2.44 pounds, and so almost 2.5. And my old PB is 2 pounds 4 ounces. I'm seeing that on Fishbrain. If you guys don't already know about Fishbrain, it's the best app ever. You can log all your catches and all your weights and lengths and PBs and stuff like that. If you guys want to follow me on there, I'm Logimo. It's in the description of all of our videos. It shows all of our Fishbrain account names. Oh, I actually got a fish on. Looks like a little bass. It's fighting so hard though because it's on my little panfish setup. Let's throw baby smallmouth on that Panther Martin spinner. Pretty little guy. See you, buddy. Ooh, got him. He's on there, you guys. That's another one. Looks like a nice one. Feels bigger. Looks bigger too. Ooh, that's a different kind. That's a Redhorse. Nice. So it isn't bigger, it's just fought a bit better, but That is a golden redhorse. I believe golden redhorse lack the red fin. Here's what I believe to be our golden redhorse. That's so cool. He is 15 inches. There's our golden redhorse. And go ahead and release him. They're such beautiful fish. And our cut bait rod. Something's sucking on this one already. Ooh, I got one. Ooh, he's jumping. I've never had a sucker jump before. Dang, this thing is fighting hard. It's not a redhorse. It's a bigger one. Nice. Perfect. Hook side right in the front of the mouth right there. Here's our little redhorse. Such a beautiful fish. Let's go ahead and release this guy. Oh, got one. This one feels pretty good. Looks good too. I think that's a redhorse. Yeah, that's a better one. I'm just gonna go ahead and... Ooh, that's a nice one, you guys. That's probably my personal best for goldens. I've never caught a big one before. That's awesome. Let me let out some line. You let me keep my worm too. Thanks, buddy. I caught the one that is actually big. I freaking didn't even use the net for. Look at that, you guys. That's awesome. There's our sucker, you guys. Nice little golden redhorse. Here's our beautiful 17-inch golden redhorse. Let's go ahead and let this guy go. It's good to go. Thanks for biting, buddy. Ooh, got one, you guys. Ooh, that looks like a nice one. I was just in the middle of adjusting. Ooh. I have fixing my other rod. I saw my rod getting bopped. Get in here. Ooh, that's another species. This is a shorthead redhorse, I believe. Alright, let's just get him up here. Yeah, it's a shorthead. Nice. Damn, that's a beautiful fish, you guys. Look at that bright red tail. Let's get a good release on this guy. So shorthead are different. Oh, I guess he's already ready to go. Oh, got one on, you guys. Oh, what? It's not even a sucker, it's a massive perch. What? Oh my god, you guys. It's the first one I've ever seen in here. That's crazy. I've never caught a perch in this place. Here's our perch, you guys. He was 9.5 inches. Pretty solid perch, if I do say so myself. There it is, you guys. Nice little 9.5 inch perch. Let's let him go.